Hi, this is Gene from iFixSmartphone.com. Today I'm going to show you a little tip how to clean the ear speaker mesh on iPhone 13 series because they try to make it kind of like a water resistant, so they made it the hole super tight, so it's super easy for the dust to get trapped, blocking the holes. And because of that, people cannot hear when you're making a phone call. And easiest way, a lot of time they just kind of blow the air in through here, so they'll actually trap the dust more and more. Then eventually you'll get more dust. So best way is to remove it and replace it. But if you don't have the replacement ear mesh, and you just can't clean it up. So let me show you how to do it. So apply a little heat, maybe of 100 degrees Celsius, just to kind of loosen the glue. We don't even have to remove these flaps. Then just slide them out. There you go. So that's one way to do it. And then from here, I'm gonna run it through the ultrasonic cleaner and show you how clean this will be. So there it is, my ultrasonic cleaner. Put some little bit of the water with some cleaning soap solutions in mixed. All right, so we got that cleaned up, and let's see. Let me try to zoom that in for you. Okay, now we got that all cleaned up, and let's see. You can now kind of like see how clean that is. Now it's got it assembled, and you can see how clean that is.